In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a video call on Android mobile. Okay, so to do this, we're going to be making use of the Contacts app on Android. So go into the Contacts app. Okay, and this is it. So let's just say it is this person right here. If you tap on that, so this is not the right app. So if I go to the Play Store and go back and tap search and tap Contacts Android. Okay, that's not it, but basically I don't think I have that app. Let me just find it here. Contacts, should be a blue one. But basically it's really simple. If you have that app installed on your phone, you can go into it, select the person, let's see this one, and right here, okay, that contact wasn't working. You can see there's a video call button right there. Go ahead and push that button and you'll be able to make a video call with that contact. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.